Now let us tackle Lab 2, Bill of Materials and Routings for Planning. This part is about now putting the information together. So to make a bike, what shall we do, right? And we have created raw material, semi-finished product, and finished product, and there are any other parts that we should put together so that we can produce one final bike. And bill of materials is the one that give that information. What kind of parts are gonna go into a product and what kind of process it will go through. That is defined in this bill of material and routings for planning. So let's talk about creating bill of material first. And to do that, we are going to go to bill of materials. So we have done material and everything, but we're not going to use this one this time. And we are going to go to production now. So production, and under production, go to master data. Okay, master data. We have master data here, and bill of materials. Okay, right here, bill of materials. So under bill of materials, and we have again bill of material, and under there material BOM, right? So we want to put how material is going into a bike. So material BOM is something that we're going to be using, and we want to create this bill of material. So click on create, and if you have done that, now the material that we are going to create is RFRT 1000-222. That's the product that I created. So this bill of material is about telling people what parts, what semi-finished product, and what parts and raw materials are going into this RFRT 1000-222. And the plant is DL00, and BOM usage is 1. So it's a production, right? So just put 1, and so this is the date that I created, so it's going to be there, and you don't have to be concerned about it. And hit enter. So if you hit enter, then now you are on the next page. So you created that, you are in the process of creating this one. And here in this process, we are going to list the products, the semi-finished product, the raw material that are going into this RFRT 1000-222 final bike. So the first item and is ICT 0010, and we're going to say it's a stock item, which is L, and this is what we want to choose. And the component is TRWA 1000. Okay, so that's what we want to put it there. And then the same way, the second one is this. So I'm going to just say L, and TRFR 1000. And what is that? TRFR 1000. That is Touring Frame Black. And then here L, and DGAM 1000. That's derailleur gear assembly. And the fourth item is TRSK 1000. TRSK 1000. What is it? It's Touring Seats Kit. And fifth item is stock item TRHB 1000. TRHB 1000. And what is it? It's touring handlebar. So one of them is needed. And 0060 is pedal. So PEDL 1000. So pedal assembly. And seventh item is chain 1000. So it's chain. Eighth product is BRKT 1000. So this must be brake kit. And ninth one is WDOC 1000, and this is warranty document. And 10th one is packaging 1000, PCKG 1000, and that's packaging. And quantity, right? How many of them are going to go there? For example, this RFRD 1000. I forgot what that was. So if you don't know it, then TRWA 1000, you can type and start a search. And it's a touring aluminum wheel assembly. It's a wheel assembly. And there are, two wheels, right? So quantity is 2, and the rest of them is 1. So make sure that you are not going over other thing. And then you can hit enter. So the moment you hit enter, the component description appeared, right? Touring aluminum wheel assembly, touring frame black, derailleur gear assembly, and so forth. Those description happen. So, I hit enter after entering all these product names. So be careful that you are putting the right name over there. And valid from today's date that I'm working on, and valid to is also indicated there. And if you have done that, you can save this work so that your BOM, your bill of material, is created for you. And then we can create the second BOM for RFRT 2000. So I'm going to go here and change to 2000-222. So for the second finished product that we created on lab 1, I'm going to create right here. So hit enter. And we are going to be doing the same thing, but we have to remember that RFRT 2000 is customized one. So everything is the same, but there is one product that is different. Is instead of TRW 1000-90, 1000-222, we are going to use TRWA 2000-222 that we have created. So that's the only difference. So I'm going to now start work on here and enter TRWA 2000. Now it's not 1000 but 2000, and I'm going to use 222, which I created at lab 1, right? And here is TRFR 1000, and the rest of them is just typing the name correctly. DG agent, derailleur, and TRSK 1000 and TRHB 1000 and pedal PEDL 1000, chain 1000. So try to be accurate. BRKT 1000, that's brake kit, and WDOC 1000, this is warranty kit, and package kit is PCKG 1000. And as we know, the handle is 2 of them is sub-assembly is required, and the rest of them only one of them. So enter them and hit enter. Then not sure if this is correct, so let's see what happened. TRWA 2002. Okay, unit of measure each, right? Well, let's see what that is. So each, right? And see what salt string. Item ID. Oh, I see. Yeah, the mistake I made was that I did not put this L, right? This is stock item that I did not do. As a result, this error was made. I'm glad that I made this mistake, so that you will know how to handle this error. So it's a matter of entering L because that's a stock item. If you have done that, hit save. Now I saved it. So this is how you create a BOM for finished product.